How to fix a stuck lawn mower throttle. The lawnmower throttle controls the power of the engine. Usually, a mower has a small lever that allows you to increase or decrease the power as needed. The lawnmower requires a working throttle to start. If the throttle is stuck in one position, the engine might not receive the correct fuel mixture to start. Most throttle problems are solved with cleaning, lubrication and slight adjustments of the throttle cable, which leads from the throttle control to the engine. Things you will need: spray lubricant, rag, screwdriver. Clean any dirt or debris from the throttle on the engine. Locate the throttle by following the throttle cable from the handle of the mower to the throttle itself. Spray the throttle with a spray lubricant. Wipe any excess lubricant away from the throttle. Push on the throttle with a screwdriver to move it back and forth and get the lubricant working. Locate the throttle adjustment on the underside of the throttle handle, where the cable meets the handle. Turn it to adjust the cable so it is taut. A loose cable will not move the throttle. Tips: warnings. Do not try to disassemble your throttle. Failure to put it back together properly may result in irreversible motor damage.